Hey there, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Claude Code CLI on VS Code. Really simple. Let me show you. This is the VS Code interface. You just have to install it. Just go to the browser and go for VS Code official site. Then click here download. Then it will take you to the download page. From here, you can select the operating system. Okay. Then install it. Very simple. And then you will find this interface. Now I'll show you how you can actually install Claude Code CLI on VS Code. Now you have to press Ctrl plus backtick sign. So this sign is called backtick. So press Ctrl plus backtick. Then here you have to say sudo. Okay, let me just go for the Windows installer at first. So for the window, if you are from Windows, what you have to say? You have to say here npm, then install. Okay, and then -g, then space, then you have to say at Anthropic, THROPIC, okay, -AI, then slash, then Claude -code. So this is for the Windows user, okay. Then it will start installing. But if you're from Mac, then you can actually say here sudo. It means you will give the permission as super user. So super user do npm install -g at Anthropic -AI / Claude -code. Make sure you have used all the space, okay? Sudo space npm space install space -g space at Anthropic -AI / Claude -code. Now if you hit enter, then it will install in VS Code, okay. But here you can see we have npm. It means we are going to install it through package installer, right? So if you want to use npm, then you have to have Node.js in your PC. So go to the browser and go for the Node.js, okay. You have to install it. For the Node.js, let me show you. Go for the Node.js. If you type it Node.js, then you can see nodejs.org. Now click here download. It will directly take you to the download page. From here you can select any of the version, then go with it. Install it. Simple. Then you can actually run this command. All right. And now if you hit enter, then it will install in your PC. I already installed this, so I'm not going to do this once again. Now if I say here Claude, you can see that I have Claude here. You can see I trust this folder, and here you can see this is the Claude Code CLI interface. So if you want to use Claude Code CLI on VS Code, basically you have to at least go with the pro version because it's paid. Otherwise you can actually use CLI, okay. You can use chat option Claude AI for the browser and for the desktop also. This is free. Not properly free or fully free, but you can actually go with a certain limitation. But here, if you want to use Claude Code CLI command line interface, you have to actually buy at least any of the premium version. At least pro. So it will cost most probably $17 to $20. That's it. I have shown you the way you can actually install it on VS Code. How you can install Claude Code CLI on VS Code. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video.